Residential, data center, or ISP proxies. Choose the wrong one and you could deal with more blocks, slower speeds, or higher costs. So which proxy type do you actually need? A proxy server routes your connection through its own IP address, keeping your original hidden. Now, residential proxies use IPs from real homeowners assigned by internet service providers, so they are nearly undetectable. These IPs rotate automatically and cover worldwide locations, which is perfect for web scraping, automation, and accessing geo-restricted content. With MarsProxies residential proxies, you get access to IPs in 195 locations, sticky sessions that let you keep the same IP from 1 second to 7 days, and traffic that never expires. Next up, data center proxies. They use IPs that come from servers in data centers, so they are faster, more stable, and more affordable, but also easier to detect. They're ideal for testing and large-scale automation, where performance and cost matter most. MarsProxies offers data center proxies with dedicated IPs and unlimited bandwidth, so you don't have to worry about performance drops or traffic limits. And finally, ISP Proxies. They use IPs assigned by internet service providers, but are hosted on data servers, combining the trust of residential IPs with data center performance. MarsProxies gives you dedicated ISP proxies with static IPs and unlimited bandwidth, which is perfect for account management, testing, streaming, gaming, or any situation where you need a stable online identity without stressing about bandwidth. So, what should you choose? Go with residential proxies if you need more locations and fewer blocks. Need high performance and scale? Choose data center proxies. And ISP proxies make the most sense if you need stability. Head to MarsProxies and find the right proxies for you.